Hey guys, today's tutorial is about using your domain name with your Blogger account. Now, if you're blogging and through the time you have decided to have your own domain, this will work for you. NameCheap is a domain name registrar which provides domain name registration and web hosting. It is a budget hosting provider with millions of registered domains worldwide. So I have already made my own account here and was able to buy my own domain for my blog site, which used to be named as Self-Growth here. Now what I want to do is use my newly bought domain name for my blogging website. We are going to start by going to your account's dashboard in NameCheap, and then we're going to go to your domain list just to prepare for what's next. Okay, then you can see the domain name I bought. It is called lifefitsinme.com. Now I will manage this. Go back to blog to, and I will go back to. I will manage this domain, and I will go back to Blogger website. This has already been fixed. So what happened was I clicked on this custom domain or the publishing option, and then it asked for a domain. Now you can have you also have this option to buy a domain online, which Blogger website offers, but this comes in with a different budget. Now this is my chosen custom domain, and I saved it, and there was an error asking about change in host name. Now I needed to manage my domain list here by touching or going to advanced DNS. I referred to this article which was given by NameCheap.com, so here it's more detailed and presentable. Now after going to advanced DNS, it will require you to put the hosts. So in this case, the hosts that were given by Blogger website for the error was this, the CNAME record, and the host this one. Just copy and paste when the error prompts in your screen. And the other one is CNAME record with the host www dot, and this one. Now it was not working at first, so I had to research more, and NameCheap had given me these tips. Now this needs to be added to the DNS. You will have to make 1, 2, 3, and 4 of it for the hosting. Now they were given 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have input 4 of them, but there's only 3 of them left now that it is already live and redirected to the new website name or domain name. Now this should look like this after typing so just follow on everything from here and everything that you can see on this box. Now once you're through, you have to save it. So it can only take sometimes it takes 30 minutes before the website or the changes can take effect, so please bear on that. Now There it shows after saving it. There. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that I was able to help you with DNS settings on NameCheap.